The SURAIELEC 40-amp pool timer is equipped with an advanced AC contactor system, which enhances its current capacity and lifespan, making it ideal for high-load applications. This pool timer is exceptionally versatile, capable of managing up to 240-volt, 3-horsepower devices like pool pumps, hot water heaters, and outdoor lighting simultaneously. With its 7-day programmable timer, you can set up to 20 on and off schedules, offering precise control over your electrical devices with added convenience of daylight-saving adjustments. Constructed from weather-resistant materials, this timer switch is designed to endure harsh outdoor conditions, including rain, rust, moisture, and ultraviolet rays. The lockable cover of the SURAIELEC Pool Timer prevents tampering, ensuring security for your pool pump and other outdoor electrical devices. Installation is straightforward with its 5-terminal wiring design, eliminating the need for jumper wires and simplifying the setup process for your electrical systems.